want to make modern cave paintings using spray paint, a new way of doing what people did thousands of years ago when they used natural paint to tell their stories on stone. This is not vandalism, this is art. Honest, wild, made to last. But there is a thing. I never done graffiti before. I never been deep inside a cave. I don't even know how to dive yet. What I have is ambition. I can draw. I'm fit. I love adventure. I sold my house, my car, and gave away most of my stuff to follow one dream, to travel and to live by making art. I was in the military for almost 17 years. I trained in survival and in bushcraft. I'm not afraid tough places. This is not just a project, it is a mission, a journey through caves, through time, and through what it means to be human. Art that someone might still find thousands of years from now.